Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly, delicious, quick and easy recipes. Your support is very much appreciated. Are you ready for a chocolate frosting recipe that's so simple, it almost feels like cheating? Imagine a rich, velvety frosting that takes just minutes to prepare. This two-ingredient wonder is perfect for those times when you need a quick and delicious topping for your cakes, cupcakes, or brownies. Whether you're baking for a special occasion or just satisfying a sweet tooth, this frosting has got you covered. Trust me, once you try this, you'll want to keep it in your back pocket for all your chocolate frosting needs. It's a game changer for both novice and experienced bakers alike. This recipe is so easy, even a beginner baker can master it. No need for fancy equipment or complicated techniques, just pure, simple baking joy. It's perfect for those times when you're short on time but still want to impress with a homemade touch. Imagine the look on your friends' and family's faces when they taste your delicious creation. So, let's gather our ingredients and get started on this foolproof chocolate frosting adventure. With just 2 ingredients, you'll be amazed at how easy and delicious this recipe is. Ready? Let's dive in and create some magic in the kitchen. You only need 2 simple ingredients for this amazing frosting. 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter, softened. The butter should be at room temperature to ensure it mixes smoothly and creates a creamy texture. And 1 cup or 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. These chocolate chips will melt into the butter, giving the frosting a rich, chocolatey flavor. You probably already have these pantry staples on hand. They are common ingredients in many baking recipes, making this frosting both convenient and delicious. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature for easy mixing. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect consistency in your frosting, and feel free to use milk chocolate or dark chocolate chips if you prefer. Each type of chocolate will give your frosting a unique taste, so you can customize it to your liking. Now for the fun part, let's make some frosting. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into a delicious, creamy topping for your cakes and cupcakes. First, melt the chocolate chips. You want to use high-quality chocolate for the best flavor. You can do this in a double boiler or in the microwave, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Be patient and make sure the chocolate doesn't burn. While the chocolate is still warm, gradually add the softened butter, beating with an electric mixer until the mixture is light and fluffy. The butter should be at room temperature to blend well. This will take a few minutes. Keep mixing until you achieve a smooth, airy consistency. Scrape down the sides of the bowl to make sure everything is well combined. This step ensures that no lumps remain and the frosting is perfectly smooth. And that's it. Your frosting is ready to use. Spread it generously on your favorite baked goods and enjoy the rich chocolatey goodness. See how easy that was? This rich and decadent chocolate frosting is incredibly versatile. Use it to frost your favorite cakes, cupcakes, and brownies. You can also use it as a filling for sandwich cookies or as a dip for fresh fruit. The possibilities are endless, so go ahead and give this recipe a try. You won't be disappointed.